Hey, what is going on, guys? Donovan here, and as you can see, my hair is looking crazy, and that's for two reasons. Number one, I've been installing this cam pretty much all day, a little bit of yesterday too, but we're gonna call today the official day one. And two, I haven't gotten a haircut since January, but we're not gonna talk about that. So as you can see, the RT is behind me, and poor thing is having open heart surgery right now. As you can see below, it's on jack stands. The radiator and the radiator bracket are dropped. We have the top of the motor off, except for the, well, not really, only the intake manifold is off. We got the front cover off, so it exposed to the timing chain. So we got to get the timing marks lined up. I wanted to pull the heads today, but man, we ran into a good amount of trouble pulling the stock harmonic balancer off, and I actually ended up breaking mine because I clamped it on the wrong spot and broke this. So that'll be an expensive fix, but you know, it is what it is. If you ever do a project yourself and you price it out in your head, if it's something big like this, add another $500 on top of that price you put in your head, because it's very rare that when you do a project you don't make a little mistake here or there. So basically we had to remove the alternator, which was hard because of the long tubes. They kind of obstruct one of the bolts, and then an AC compressor. There are 5 bolts in the oil pan that go up into the front cover, and I mean, there's just a lot of stuff. It just felt like we kept pulling things out, and it's only going to get worse tomorrow, but I'm hoping that we're done with most of the electronic stuff pulling out, because that's kind of the scary thing. Obviously coolant's drained, oil's drained, all that type of stuff, but yeah, this was just kind of day one. I didn't feel that it was responsible of me to try to make a tutorial doing this stuff, because this is my first time doing it. I know that some people wanted a tutorial, but I don't want people to take bad advice that I have or something, because obviously, you know, I've made mistakes like the harmonic balancer thing there. So there are little things like that that I don't want to lead you guys the wrong way, but I do want to let you guys know where we are in the process. So basically, it's me, my dad, I have a buddy Gabe who may be watching this video, but he's a big mechanic guy, and then my grandpa used to build motors in his when he was a lot younger, but you know, a lot of that information carries over, so he has some tips here and there that are always helpful, and having an extra set of hands is always helpful. So really, I don't know how long this is going to take. Tomorrow we're going to start pulling the heads, pull the valve covers off, pull the heads off. I don't know if I'm going to have to remove the long tubes to pull the heads off. I know a lot of people would say yes, you need to. I might go down there and just check to see if it's possible that we can avoid doing that, because installing the long tubes was a huge pain in the butt. So we'll see if that works. We'll see if I have enough room. It looks like a solid maybe. I might just get underneath and just go look one more time, but we're gonna have like 4 people here to hold the heads to make sure they don't fall, because I'm sure even though they're aluminum, they're pretty heavy. But I'm going ahead, and I don't know how well you can see in here, I'm sorry. Like for example, these are the oil pan bolts. I'm just going ahead, putting them in a little plastic baggie with post-it notes with the names. I have all my coil packs in here, alternator, intake, and just trying to keep things as tidy as possible. Now that everybody's gone, I'm probably going to end up cleaning up the tools and stuff, just to get everything organized once again. But yeah, guys, if you were curious on where I'm at, this is where I'm at. I'm really excited to get this thing finally up and running. I've been wanting to do this cam thing for like 2 years now, so fingers crossed we make some good progress in the next day or two, and I would like to start installing stuff in 2 days. So hopefully if we get the heads off tomorrow at a good time, we'll be able to put the new springs on and locks and all that type of stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're interested in following this build. I'd like to thank you guys once again for 2,000 subscribers. Drop a like on the video if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.